Hello and welcome to the DeliverLogic Driver App. Today we're going to go ahead and give a quick review on how to use this app. We'll begin by logging in with the credentials provided to us by the dispatcher and hitting the sign in button. Here on this main screen, we'll see how many orders we currently have in process, how many we've delivered, and you'll notice up in the top right hand side, we'll be able to check in. Make sure that you only check in when you're scheduled to drive. This allows the dispatcher to know that you are ready to take orders. In the bottom of the app, we'll see the Orders button, where we currently are, a Chat button, which allows you to communicate with the dispatch, Reports, which will show you information on the past orders that you've delivered, as well as a Profile button, allowing you to edit certain things on your profile. Going back to the Orders page, we'll go ahead and look at receiving a live order. At this time, a dispatcher is handling an order, and they're going to go ahead and assign this order to the driver. At this time, you'll receive either a push notification, text message, or an email, or a combination of all of the above, depending on how the dispatchers have you set up in the system. If I pull down on this page to refresh, I'll see that an order has been assigned to me. Upon looking at this page here, I can see all orders that are currently assigned to me, which currently is only one order. I can see the restaurant name, PB&J, the restaurant address, the customer name and the customer address, as well as some quick information about the order. If I click onto this card, I'm able to go into the order and see more information as well as interact with this order. Going from top to bottom, we can see when the customer placed the order, what time the delivery has been scheduled for, and maybe a rough estimate of what time we've quoted that customer that would get the food there. We can look at the restaurant information, get directions to the restaurant, call the restaurant, directions to the customer, or call the customer very easily from these 4 buttons on the app. Moving downwards, we'll see order details. We can see that this order is from PB&J, and they've ordered wings with barbecue sauce. You'll want to draw extra attention to the quantity listed. You'll see that this is actually 5 orders of wings. Payment details are listed last on the app. You'll see that this order has been paid with cash, and the driver is to collect $33.51. This does include a pre-added tip of $4.13 as well. When you would like to confirm that you have received the order, you'll click the Confirm button at the bottom of the app. This means that you have received the order and the dispatcher knows that you are aware of this run. Oftentimes, the dispatcher will now make sure that the order is placed at the restaurant within good time for you to go pick it up. You'll see that the order has now been marked as placed at the restaurant as well. We now have a pickup time established for this order. It'll be 1:15 p.m. The next step would be arriving at the restaurant. We can go ahead and click Arrived, and this signifies that you have arrived at the restaurant and are ready to pick the food up. Following Arrived, you'll be leaving the restaurant heading to your car. Once you are in your car and ready to leave the parking lot, go ahead and hit the En route button. En route means that you are on your way from the restaurant to the customer. And finally, when you're back in your car after making the delivery and you are ready to head back to a different restaurant to pick up more food, you'll hit Delivered. This is going to signify to the dispatch team that this order has been fully resolved and you are ready for your next order. Go back to the main orders page and refresh to see if there's anything else waiting for you. At the end of your shift, you'll hit the Checkout button, and this will remove you from the list of available drivers that the dispatcher can give orders to. We hope that this video helps you. Welcome to the DeliverLogic crew. Have a great day.